Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something super practical that honestly so many people overlook: how to clear content in Google Sheets in just 2 seconds. Whether you're working with big spreadsheets, organizing a budget, or sharing data with a team, knowing how to quickly wipe out old or unwanted information is a must-have skill. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to instantly clear any content you don't need, keeping your sheets clean and confusion-free. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's actually get into Google Sheets. If you're already logged into your Gmail account, you're halfway there. Now take a quick glance up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a grid of 9 little dots, kind of like a tiny waffle or a cluster of buttons. Those dots are the Google Apps launcher, and clicking on them opens up a menu with all kinds of useful Google tools. Sometimes it's easy to miss among all the icons, so don't worry if you have to hover your mouse for a second. Once the menu pops open, go ahead and look for the green Google Sheets icon. It looks like a piece of paper with a little green table on it. Give it a click and you'll launch straight into Google Sheets. You might already have a spreadsheet you're working on, or maybe you just opened a new one. That part's totally up to you. Now let's say you're staring at a spreadsheet filled with data. Maybe it's last month's sales numbers, attendance lists, or just some rough calculations you no longer need. Rather than painstakingly deleting each cell one by one or worrying about accidentally deleting your whole sheet, we're going to use a quick method to clear only the parts we want. Here how it works: start by selecting the range of cells you want to clear. Just click and drag your mouse over the cells, highlighting them. If it's a large block of data, you'll see everything turn blue or gray as it's selected. And if you only want to clear a few specific spots, you can even hold Control or Command on Mac and click individual cells. Super handy. Now here's the magic moment. Once you've selected everything you want to clear, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. That's right, just one button. Instantly all the content disappears from the selected cells, but the actual blank cells, the shells, stay right where they were. This means your formatting, your formulas in other columns, or anything else outside the selection all remain untouched. It's so much faster than erasing things cell by cell, and it keeps your sheet structure perfectly intact. Take a moment to double-check that you only cleared what you meant to. No worries if you made a mistake. Google Sheets has a trusty undo button at the top left that will bring everything back with one click. So that's it, you've just learned how to clear content in Google Sheets in about 2 seconds flat. It's a tiny trick, but once you get used to it, you'll find yourself working way faster and keeping your data organized with way less hassle. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to learn more Google Sheets shortcuts, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more quick, powerful tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.